Welcome back to Module 3. Let's talk about one of the most practical upgrades in modern switching. In this lesson, we're diving into Rapid Spanning Tree Protocol, or RSTP, the faster, smarter evolution of classic STP. We'll cover how it dramatically cuts convergence times, and we'll bring in two essential tools every network engineer should know: PortFast and BPDU Guard. Fire up your terminal. Let's get into it. So why even bother with an upgrade? Classic STP, that's 800.1D, takes anywhere from 30 to 50 seconds to recover when the topology changes. In modern networks, that's an eternity. RSTP, defined in 802.AJU, cuts that down to under 6 seconds, often faster. And the best part, it's backward compatible with classic STP and already the default on most gear you'll touch today. Part of how RSTP gets that speed is by simplifying the port states themselves. The old 5 states collapse into just 3, discarding, which replaces both blocking and listening, learning, where the switch builds its MAC table, and forwarding, where traffic actually flows. But the real trick is the new alternate and backup roles. These are pre-computed standby paths, ready to take over the instant a link fails. No recalculation, no waiting. That's the secret behind near-instant failover. Now, at the edge of the network, where end devices plug in, we can push convergence even further with 2 classic optimizations. PortFast tells the switch to skip the discarding and learning stages entirely on access ports, so a laptop or printer comes online the moment it's connected. But that shortcut introduces risk. What if someone plugs a rogue switch into that port? That's where BPDU Guard steps in. The instant it sees a BPDU on a PortFast port, it shuts the port down. Together, they give you access ports that are both fast and safe. Let's put it all into practice on the command line. First, set the mode to rapid-pvst. That single command activates RSTP across your VLANs. Then drop into your access interface and enable PortFast and BPDU Guard. If you've got a lot of access ports, the global spanning tree PortFast default command saves you time by applying it everywhere automatically. Just remember the golden rule. Never enable PortFast on a trunk or a switch-to-switch link. That's a fast path to a loop. And that's RSTP, faster convergence, smarter port roles, and a smoother network all around. Up next in Lesson 6, we're tackling EtherChannel, how to bundle multiple physical links into one logical pipe for more bandwidth and redundancy. If this lesson helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Full course is free on YouTube and over at dargslan.com. See you in the next one.